Let me ask you something. Are you grinding away at your 9-to-5 job, saving diligently, cutting corners where you can, yet your bank account never seems to grow? You're not alone. Countless hard-working professionals find themselves stuck in the same cycle: work, earn, save, repeat, with very little to show for it. And here's the kicker. It's not always because you don't make enough money. Sometimes it's because of the hidden traps you're falling into. The traps that even smart, educated people fall for. So today we will uncover 6 costly habits people waste money on, and more importantly, how to break free from them. If you're serious about building wealth, and not just looking wealthy, you'll need to pay attention to this. Warren Buffett, a man who has spent nearly an entire lifetime studying money, warns us about common financial mistakes that quietly sabotage our future. These aren't obvious mistakes like gambling your paycheck away in Vegas. They're subtle, everyday decisions that drain your wealth drop by drop until you wake up wondering, where did all my hard-earned money go? Hey, if you're into real, down-to-earth money talks and mindset shifts that actually teach you something, go ahead and hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the notification bell. Let's empty the bag now. Point 1. Brand name obsession. Let's be honest. Who hasn't been tempted by the flashy designer label? That shiny logo on your shoes or bag feels like a badge of success. But here's the irony. People who chase brands often look rich while quietly staying broke. Warren Buffett drives a modest car, the same house he bought decades ago, and dresses simply. Mark Zuckerberg, he's practically the unofficial spokesman for gray t-shirts. Bill Gates, he focuses on practicality rather than price tags. These men could buy an entire luxury mall if they wanted to, yet they don't let brands dictate their value. Why? Because they know a $300 pair of sneakers doesn't make you wealthy. It makes Nike wealthy. Wealth isn't about what you wear on your wrist. It's about what you invest in. Real assets grow. Designer logos fade. So the next time you're tempted by that overpriced handbag or watch, ask yourself, am I buying this to look successful and feed my ego, or to be successful? Point 2. Buying a house too early. Here's a thought that may sting a little. Buying a house too soon can actually set you back financially. Most people believe owning a home equals success. But let's think what happens when you buy a home with a heavy mortgage. Suddenly you're tied to one place, drowning in property taxes, insurance bills, and endless repairs. It's not just a home, it's a financial leech. Buffett advises against over-leveraging yourself for a house. Wealthy individuals often rent in the early stages, keeping their money liquid and investing it where it can grow. They wait until their foundation is strong before committing to a property. Now let me tell you, a house can be a blessing, but it can also be a trap if you buy it with weak financial legs. Wealth first, home later. So before asking, how can I buy a house quickly? Try asking, how can I first build the financial muscle to afford it comfortably? You've been wonderful following up this far, and I'll love you to keep up the amazing work. If you're yet to like this video, go ahead, smash that like button, and also subscribe. We are aiming for 100 subscribers, and we can't do that without you. If you've done these, please type yes, I have, in the comments section, and I'll give you a heart. Thank you. Point 3. Unused subscriptions. Ever signed up for a streaming service just to watch one show, then forgot to cancel it, or paid for a gym membership that turned into a donation to the treadmill you never met? Studies show the average person wastes hundreds of dollars every year on subscriptions they don't even use. That's not budgeting, that's silent money leakage. Every dollar tied to a forgotten subscription could have been growing in an investment. Pro tip: review your bank statements regularly, cancel what you don't use, and stop treating free trials like free candy. They almost always roll into paid bills you didn't plan for. Point 4. Credit card debt. Credit cards make spending painless. Just a swipe, and you feel richer, until the bill arrives with crushing interest. Here's the trick credit card companies play. They make it feel like free money. Swipe now, pay later. But later comes with a catch. Interest rates so high, they turn a $100 purchase into a $200 problem. If you carry balances, you're not shopping with your money. You're renting it back with interest. Buffett calls high-interest debt one of the fastest ways to cripple your financial future. If you can't pay your credit card balance in full each month, you can't afford the purchase. Remember, the goal is to build wealth, not to sponsor the bank's next skyscraper. If you're getting value from this message and you want me to continue, like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell. I drop messages like this every day to build your mindset and finances. Thank you. Let's continue. Point 5. Ignoring financial education, the biggest waste of money. Not educating yourself about money. Without financial knowledge, you're doomed to repeat costly mistakes. Buffett spends 80% of his day reading. Why? Because knowledge compounds, just like money. Invest in learning before investing in stocks or any other investments. Now be true with yourself. Are you spending on things that fade or knowledge that multiplies? Point 6. Neglecting health. Skipping exercise, poor diet and stress may not look like financial issues, but they are. Medical bills can wipe out savings faster than any bad investment. Buffett often says your health is your greatest asset. Without it, wealth is useless. Taking care of your body is the best insurance policy for your money. Finally, at the end of the day, wealth isn't built by working harder, showing off, or chasing shortcuts. It's built by small disciplined decisions that compound over time. Now ask yourself, am I choosing value over vanity? Am I building wealth before chasing lifestyle? Am I letting my money work for me or against me? Warren Buffett often says, do not save what is left after spending, but spend what is left after saving. That one shift in thinking can change your entire financial future. If this video brought you value or stirred something in you, give it a like, subscribe and share it with someone who needs to hear this. Don't just watch and go away. Drop your thoughts in the comments section. I'd love to hear what stuck with you the most. So which of these money traps do you see yourself guilty of? And which one are you going to eliminate today? Type it in the comments section. Someone might just be lucky to be in the same situation as you. I'll give a heart to every comment and response. I'll see you on the next one.